Hello my friends, today we are in Lincolnton, North Carolina. Awesome town, cool little restaurants, shops. All this is being restored and it looks awesome. So we'll walk around. I'll show you a little bit of Lincolnton, historic Lincolnton downtown. Looks like they recently celebrated Mardi Gras here. Check all the beads out. Or maybe it was for St. Patty's Day. Yeah, that's probably what it was. Look at the green beads. I'm stepping back a little bit because it is crazy wind blowing here. But you get the coffee shop there. So it's Faust 2 Coffee. You got a game swap, sell trade. Check this out. Beautiful courthouse right there downtown. And pan around here, you can see all this here. Man, I almost busted my butt too. So we'll walk down here. This is Zay's restaurant right here. Love these buildings that they've restored. Looks great. And if you take a right here, you head towards Newton. And look at all these cool little restaurants down this way. They got new townhouses being built right down here. Got an ice cream place right down here. So yeah, it is blowing like crazy. This is Aspen Street right here. So we'll head around here. We'll go around and check out all these different restaurants. But yeah, I'm getting hungry. Here's the new, it says City Hall here. Pan around over here. Check that out. Atlantic Ale and Beer, 10 cents. Full of good cheer. That is awesome. And this is Court Street Grille. And right next door is still Court Street Grille. So the whole thing here is Court Street Grille. It's huge. We might have to check out their food, their menu. And we are inside the Court Street Grille, about to grab some lunch. This looks like a really cool place. So I decided to get the gyro, and I'm sure it's going to be good. This food in here smells awesome. And here's my gyro and French fries. This is gonna be good. Look at all that goodness wrapped in there. Oh my lord. And I do highly recommend the Court Street Grille. It was awesome. So the church here was built in 1920, but the congregation has been here since 1785. So they've had other churches here in this spot at one time. And check out this old cemetery. I'd have to come back and check it out, but it's some dates going back to 1798 in here. Got a cool little mural here. Looks like the old theater right there. Maybe we'll see that on the main street. And this is Local Roots and Provisions. And it looks like along here they've converted a lot of these into small restaurants and breweries right there. Check that out. Untapped territory, craft beers, regional wines. And look at this old marquee Roads Courier. That's pretty cool. It's like a motorcycle place now. And we'll walk down this way and check out these magnificent murals here. Delicious, delightful Pepsi Cola drink, 5 cents. Wow, since 1898, born in the Carolinas. And then over here you've got another one. Looks like it says Piedmont. Look at the old baseball guys up there. That's pretty cool. Save the coupons right there. And tucked away down here, you get some more shops. Looks like they're ready to lease out these areas. So if you're looking for a small shop to open, or a coffee shop, or a restaurant, or just a quaint little boutique, right along here, some of these are for sale and available. Oh, that's pretty cool. Carpenter's Cabs. Check out the phone number. It was redone in 2017. That's pretty cool. RE 5-5333. And check out this vintage Glidden Paints marquee. Looks like it had bulbs in there one time, light up at night. Check that old picture out of Lincolnton. That's pretty cool. There's another one of those Pepsi Cola marquees there. I'm guessing maybe this was just right down here, this street here. Either along here, or the picture is coming from this way. Here's another magnificent marquee here, painted on here, Lincoln Cut Rate Drugs. And there, it says ladies' room, and meals up there at the top. And over here, this magnificent Wrigley's gum. Check that out. The flavor lasts. Man, that is great. Buy it by the box. Beautiful. There's Main Street right here. Pan around here. Check it out. Busy, busy, busy. That's probably one of the most busy downtowns I've been in a long time. So it looks like this was built, says established 1912. A lot of these are, oh yeah, acupuncture. That's cool. Right between the lawyers' offices. So I guess they're in business all the time with those lawyers going in there and getting some acupuncture done. But yeah, a lot of these are law offices all through here. And check out this old sign right here. That's neat. And more quaint little boutiques here. You got a jewelry store here. The B3 training studio for fitness. And somebody's skidding like crazy. There, if you want your CBD oil, there you go, right here. And Alliance Bank Trust, little bank here. So all through Salisbury, they have all these cool bike paths. It looks like it was the old railroad that went through here at one time. But yeah, they converted all these into bike paths all through here, just miles and miles. Check that out, the Carolina Diner. And you got different celebrities in there too. You got Elvis and Chaplin, Marilyn Monroe, Louis Armstrong. You got Kirk and Spock. Oh, look at the Three Stooges, Clark Gable. All that looks like James Brown. Way at the end down there. Got the old First United Methodist Church right here on the corner. Beautiful church. Look at that stained glass too. Then over here it says Belk Shroom Company, Lincolnton's largest department store. We clothe the family for less. So now it's a church. And I love the old post box here for your mail in front of the store. This looks like it's getting redone. Put new drywall up. So hopefully they'll have a business in there really soon. Guitar wishes or dreams with strings come true. I like that. You got a law firm next door. Then it looks like a little antique place. So here, this place has a lot of different vendors all through here. And if we can, we'll go inside and check it out. And right here, you've got a little bar, it looks like. You probably get your coffee right here, and you got scents here. Oh, it smells good. So yeah, we'll walk down this way. Hey, how you doing? Let's walk through here real quick. Show you the different booths. So you can come down here in downtown Lincolnton and do some shopping. Got all kinds of cool trinkets and stuff for your home. Yeah. Oh, check that out. It's pretty cool. A lot of neat gift ideas all through here. Got preserves here, jams and honey. Nice. It's like one time, this is probably an old grocer at one time. Got the old floors still creaking. And there is a second floor. Let's go up there and see what they got. Yeah, we got some furniture up here called Viking Woodworks. More booths, some nice glassware. Yeah, I just thought I'd take you through here. Get a quick glimpse of all the fun stuff. Yeah, definitely check this out when you're in town. Very nice. And across the street, you got more boutiques and shops. The 7th Moon Boutique right there. You got a Remax, a Realtor. You got Vintage Rescues right next door. It's a little store, quaint store there. Just all kinds of cool shops all along here. All through downtown Salisbury. You can find these cool pots here, getting their picture taken with it. Steve Abey, I believe that's the way you pronounce his last name, is the artist, and you have to look carefully. They're kind of spread out through downtown. Oh, we'll walk over there real quick. I can show you this. Here it is here. Very cool. And here's the meeting place. So awesome. It's a deli. And sandwiches are served there. Yeah. That's a pretty cool name. Uh-oh. It's a Lincoln County Tax Department. Sneak behind this pillar here because look at the wind. It's crazy. Check the clock out. It is later than you think. So yeah, it's it's like 2:20. Cool clock. But this is the other side of the old Lincolnton government building. Pretty awesome. I may need to run in here real quick in the GameStop because they have video games, comics, and toys. And here is the inside of the store. This is pretty cool. And check it out. Look at the mermaid there. Wild. Looks like it's a nice collection back there in the back too. That'd be kind of cool to see. It's got all kinds of stuff back in there. Little Godzillas and Michael Myers mask. And then over here, he's got Sam. What the heck? You got a teller booth here. This must have been the smallest bank in Lincolnton. Right here. The drive-through. I don't know where you go. Yeah, you can't go through there. That's nuts. Besides the wind being crazy, that was a fun little walk through historic downtown Lincolnton. Yeah, didn't realize they had so many cool murals on the walls of these businesses. But a lot of cool shops and stuff. I'll have to come back and check out that game room, the game swap place we just went into. That looked pretty cool. We had awesome classics all through there, and a lot of collectibles. You got stuff dating back to like the old Odyssey system in television, Atari, the old stuff, all the way to new. Pretty cool. Well, thanks for joining me here in Lincolnton, North Carolina. A lot of fun. So, all right, guys, you take care. Please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Bye-bye.